Hi guys, in front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. At first you have to open your phone dialer, go to Contacts then, and now select the number that you wish to add this profile picture to. Click on Edit icon, and now click on Add Photo. As you can see, you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery, it's up to you. So once you click on Take Photo, you can grab it. And if you'll tap on Choose Photo, you will have access to your gallery or photos. Let me choose my gallery, then select the picture that you want to apply. Now you can customize it however you like, so you can rotate it, you can crop it, just do whatever you want with this picture, and then click on Save Copy. Finally tap on Save, and that's it. As you can see, from now on the picture is assigned to your contact. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.